Hey everybody, today I'm going to taste this horseradish vodka, which I made in this video episode. Check it out if you haven't seen that. So I ordered a great meal from some kind of restaurant. You probably can call it like a barbecue shop. It's a great place where you can find a great barbecue and kebab. They're guys from Middle East, so they do understand how to cook meat. Yeah. Anyway, this video is about how to drink horseradish vodka and my thoughts and senses about this drink. Horseradish vodka, 45% ABV. Let's smell it. Yeah, strong enough to survive several winters. Obviously, there's a main flavor of horseradish, but I have to admit that you feel citrus, I feel citrus and slight sweetness. It's all because of honey. Well, color, pleasant light yellow. It's a bit cloudy because of essential oils from the lemon zest. It looks like limoncello, but the color is warmer and it's not so intense. Well, let's taste it. Firstly, you taste spicy and bitter horseradish, of course, and a bit of ginger, just a little bit. Aftertaste contains a little freshness of lemon. Honey acts like a thing which collects all tastes together, so you don't feel a honey as a honey. Yeah. So let's talk about the temperature. Do not drink it warm. It's not a sake, Japanese thing. It's the best temperature to feel the unique taste and rich taste is 20-22 degrees Celsius, which is 68-72 Fahrenheit. If the temperature is much lower, you won't understand, you won't feel the rich taste of this drink. Drink it with appetizer, pickles, usually cucumbers or tomatoes, olives, cheese, feta is a great thing, bruschetta and salad, of course. Let me explain. Salad is traditional, predominantly Slavic food, consisting of cured slabs of fatback, rarely pork belly, with or without the skin, especially famous in Russia and Eastern Europe. It may be smoked or in paprika, but the main idea of this is salt, the black pepper, garlic and other spices. It is smooth like a bacon or lard, but it is salted with the spices and the herbs and then frozen. So salad really great and really good matches with the horseradish. So how to drink it during the dinner? Well, have a stir, meat with potatoes, barbecue or kebab and other types of traditional Caucasus and Middle East barbecues. If you don't want to cook or looking for Middle East meals, yeah, tastes of Italian cuisine is a great match. The variety of pasta and pizza is absolutely great with that. So lasagna, ziti, yeah, that's a great match with this stuff. The main idea of food which you choose must have a rich taste, and that's it. In cocktails, well, I haven't got any information about using this stuff, and you probably can add it to Bloody Mary or something like that if you like, but I can't guarantee you the result. If you like to diversify the taste, you can add garlic and cinnamon and all kinds of pepper. I personally love adding garlic, that makes taste even more interesting, but be careful at adding too much of garlic, otherwise you will still feel the taste of garlic up to next morning. Yeah, that's it for today. If you like this video, we'll be really glad to see your like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel. Well, that only left for me. Cheers!